Hi, my name is Tyrus Cabrera. I'm the service center manager for Nixon, and today we're going to go over how to size your Nixon watch if it features a sliding clasp on a stainless steel bracelet, like on our time teller or our Milanese style bands. And the first thing we want to do is we want to try it on to see if we need to make the band bigger or smaller according to your wrist size. So this one right here looks like it's way too big for me. It's spinning around my wrist, so we're gonna need to tighten this band up a little bit. Now, this style band comes with a band sizing tool, which is underneath the watch holder. So there's a little pull tab right here if you just want to pull that watch holder out of the box, and you'll find a little black envelope right here. Open it up and there's a manual, and there's also this band sizing tool right here, which is what we're going to use to adjust this clasp closer to make it tighter or farther away to make it a bigger bracelet for your wrist. So when you grab your tool, you'll notice there's a little tip to it, and we're going to take this tip and insert it into the window of the clasp, and we're going to use the clasp itself as leverage to pull it up. There's a bar on the clasp here that you don't want to use this bar as a leverage. If you do use this bar as a leverage and it bends, then the clasp is going to be non-functional, and you'll have to reach out to our customer service team, and we'll figure out a way to either send you a replacement clasp, or if you have to send your watch in to us, and we can address it here at the service center. But now we'll take this clasp tool, slide it in the window, and just pry up on it, and it should just open up the clasp. And now with this sliding clasp, we can slide it towards the case to make the band smaller, or away from the case to make it larger. So this watch was way too big for me, so I'm gonna slide it towards the case, and we'll adjust it right here. So once you get it in a nice position, there's two ways you can close the clasp. You can either use your thumb and push straight down, but this does risk bending this pin if you got big thumbs like me. So I'm gonna use the clasp tool and insert it into the window and apply it down, and you'll hear it snap into place there. So now we'll try it on and see how the watch fits now. So now it's tighter, but it's a little too tight for me. So I'm gonna repeat that process, but this time I'm gonna slide the clasp just a little bit away from the case to open it up a little bit larger. So we'll grab the clasp tool, put it in the window, pry it open, and this time we're just gonna slide it away from the case a little bit, and once we find a good spot for it, take the clasp tool and close that clasp. And then we'll try it on. You may have to do this process a couple different times. Sizing is all according to the user and to preference. Some people like their watches a little tighter, some like them a little looser. That's just enough play for me. Keep in mind, in the hot summer months, your wrist will swell up, making a stainless steel bracelet feel a little tighter. So if you do lose this in between winter and summer, you can always reach out to our customer service team, and we can send you a replacement clasp tool. And that is how you size a stainless steel bracelet that features the sliding adjustable clasp.